Wow, I can't believe it's been 30 years since we started this business. The only thing older than me in this company is my cactus. My dad gave me that cactus when I started the business, and at that time, it fit in a mug. Today, the cactus looks over my shoulder and has been by my side ever since this company began. Advanced Surgipharm was founded in 1992 in Montreal, Quebec. It began as our distribution arm in Canada, representing leading US and overseas medical device manufacturers. Those focuses were in the OR, women's health, labor and delivery, ICU, and sterile processing. In 1996, all of a sudden we realized we needed 2 water coolers as there were a lot more people working here, and things were starting to show some signs of progress. We started manufacturing a lot of products right here in Lachine. We have an enzymatic pouch filling machine that was custom designed by our company. We have our own sachet filling machine. We have 2 clean rooms, punch machines, and we've acquired equipment to manufacture shoe covers. I can't thank those distributors enough for giving a small startup a break. Rocket Medical, Cooper Surgical, SunMed, and Vigon, all of which are still our partners today. SurgMed wouldn't be where it is today if it wasn't for amazing dedicated employees here and worldwide. Especially grateful to all the customers that have supported us for over 30 years. Thank you all so very much.
Hey Advanced Surgipharm, congratulations on 30 years of growth.
Congratulations, ASB, on 30 years.
Congratulations, here's to another 30 years of providing healthcare professionals with the very best and most trusted product.
Félicitations à Surgipharm Avancé pour les 30 belles années de croissance. On remercie particulièrement nos clients pour la confiance au cours des 30 dernières années. Merci beaucoup.
Happy 30th anniversary to all our team and our loyal customers. Joyeux 30e anniversaire à toute notre équipe et à tous nos fidèles clients. I'm proud to have been part of the organization for the last 25 years, and I'm very proud of the product lines we represent. I'm also very privileged to have worked with such an amazing group of people with so much passion and drive. Of course, none of this would be possible without our visionary, Mitchell Goldberg. Thank you for your confidence and your infectious motivation. It's what's kept us all, especially me, driven and inspired and motivated. I'm excited about what the future brings, and I'm positive that the best is yet to come.
Advanced Surgipharm, congratulations on 30 years. Can't wait for what the future will